hot winds from Pakistan are giving a killer edge to the heat wave, which has claimed more than 500 lives across India. While heat waves are fairly common in May, a number of factors have come together to make the current spell rather extreme. One is the heat transfer from South Pakistan through westerly winds. In Sindh, temperatures have shot up to 49, even 50 degrees. Westerly winds are bringing with them this extreme dry heat through a process called advection transport, said BP Yadav, Director IMD. Delhi had its hottest day of the season on Monday as the maximum touched 45.5 degrees Celsius, the second highest May temperature in the capital in more than a decade. The extreme weather will continue for 3 days before rain brings temporary relief, Met officials said. The maximum temperature on Monday in Jacobabad district of Sindh was 49 degrees centigrade according to the Pakistan Met Office. Day temperatures are expected to be 48 to 50 degrees centigrade in Nawab Shah district, now called Shahid Benazir of the same state. The loop blowing across most of North India is transporting this heat from Sindh into this region.